Hello, welcome to Accessorize Your Life, where aging gracefully and accessorizing your life meet. Hi, I'm Julia. Welcome to my channel. I'm out on my stroll on my day off, and I thought this would be a perfect time to do a tea review because I have my Sips By box in. And what made me decide to do this review outside along my walk is that the little blur that Sips By provides for us, you know, they send you a card. It's for the July tea this month, Sips By. And it says it's made for whoever subscribes, and this one is made for me, Julia. But it reads, "Hi Julia, we hope these summer sips bring you extra comfort and calm right now." So when I read that, right away I thought, calm. Where can I go to just feel calm? And it's along our walk. It re-energizes me, it has me thinking and just coming up with ideas or solving problems in my life, and who doesn't like this? Now, we had a big storm last night, and the area I wanted to film in is flooded, so I found this little bridge here that I decided to film on. So let's get back to the tea. We have, as you know, Sips By is a subscription box, and you get to fill out a questionnaire and tell them your likes and dislikes and what type of tea you like, your allergies, if you want loose tea, bag tea, or combination. They always send you 4 different types of tea, and they will also send you the little muslin cloth bag and disposable bags inside. Now you can reuse this bag several times once you take that sticker off. So I have to be very careful here, guys, because this banister is sloped. So those are the tea bags you get. You get this little blur about your teas. And the first tea, and the one I'm going to try today, is this Harney & Sons. It is the Paris tea. And it is high caffeine, so it's caffeine loaded. It's a black tea, oolong tea, blackcurrant, vanilla, and bergamot with caramel. So I'm so excited to try this one. And here it is. I've already have it steeping, so we're going to try that today. The next one that I got is the Tulsi Turmeric Rooibos. So this is a caffeine-free Queen of Hearts or herbs. Tulsi, which is a holy basil, supports stress, mood, the immune system, and detoxification. Turmeric and rooibos also have many benefits. So I haven't tried this tea, but I'm going to try it soon. And my next tea is Zest tea, and it's from Blue Lady. This is a South Indian black, cornflower, hibiscus, orange peel, lemon passion, and fruit flavored with caffeine. So I'm looking forward to trying this tea. Good morning. And my next tea is Recovery. Now this is by Snarky Tea, and it has a sachet already here. It is a tea that is designed to make you feel renewed with echinacea to support your immune system, defense, and it has anise to soothe and settle. It's like a hug, but better, it says. So I'm looking forward to trying that one. So if you notice the theme, everything is about calming you and relaxing you during this time when we're not doing all the things we want to do outside, but we just want to settle ourselves. Now let's get into tasting the tea. So here, I'm ready to take a sip of this tea. It, again, is a black tea. And it says that it's great with a spot of milk or on its own. I am going to have it on its own. So here we are. Oh my gosh. I need a bit of caffeine this morning. That's why I chose this one, because we have a long walk ahead of us. And I have a lot I want to get done today. So again, they love this tea on its own, like I said, or with a spot of milk. It's a fruity black tea with vanilla and caramel flavors and a hint of lemony bergamot. I don't know if I taste all of that on first sip, I want you to see the color. So it's a dark tea, amber color. It's a mellow tea. For black tea, it's rather sweet. Not sugary sweet, but mellowy sweet. I don't taste that hint of lemon, but maybe it's that caramel and that vanilla that just, oh, and it's a fruity black tea as well. So all those, that fruitiness and that caramel and that vanilla just calms that black tea. It takes that bergamot down, and it just makes this a delightful black tea. So if you don't like a strong black tea, I think you will love this tea. Very mellow, very mild, very soothing. Oh, it's perfect for this morning. Guys, thank you for watching Accessorize Your Life as I review my Sips by Box for the month of July. I hope your day is off to a wonderful start and that you are able to get out and enjoy nature at her finest. Have a great day. Bye-bye.